How to fix iPhone 14 front camera. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'm simply going to be guiding you on how you can actually fix the front camera on an iPhone 14, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So it depends upon what kind of issue you're having in the first place. So let's say you're trying to figure out how you can switch to front camera, or maybe how you can fix the blurry pictures or whatever else. To do this, first of all, just open the camera app and you can see the back camera is working just fine. And to switch to front camera, first of all, you have to tap on the little arrow icon from the bottom right, and then you'll be switched to the front camera just like this, as you can see. So basically now if you want to fix it, there are some other fixes that you can actually run inside of it. And that is that first of all, we're just going to close the front camera here. And first of all, just make sure that you wipe off any type of dust that is actually available at your camera. So just make sure to wipe off any dust using a soft cloth. Just make sure that you don't get any scratches on it. If you have a screen cleanser, you can use that as well respectively. And then you can just go ahead and then actually open up the settings application. Then once you open the settings app, what you want to do is you just want to go to general, go to the option called transfer or reset iPhone, then just tap on reset here. Then just tap on the option called reset all settings and then see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, then you can come back over here again. Then look for the option called camera over here. So I'm just going to look for camera and then tap on it. Then you want to make sure what kind of videos you're actually recording. So you can say record video and then formats and everything else. So you can see for the front camera, and then you can also see the settings for front camera. You can select mirror front camera, view outside the frame, or whatever else type of questions that you might have, you'll be able to find it within the camera application. Last but not the least, I just recommend you to go to general, go to software update. If there is any type of update, then update it to the latest version. So hopefully this video helped you solve a problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.